Hi, this is Ken from Stone's Kia in Idaho Falls. I wanted to be the first to kind of show you around one of our brand new 2027 Telluride hybrids. So this is my personal favorite interior. It's the saddle brown and millstone. The millstone's kind of a really pretty, almost like gray-green color. They add accents really nicely through the seats, doors, and kind of up through your driver console here as well. The other thing I love is they moved your shifting column kind of up on this extra almost pillion here. So you press and turn it on like this, still rotating this end knob forward for drive and pulling backwards for reverse. Of course, you still have your surround view cameras, your blind spot cameras, but the big thing is you have so much open space here for your dual wireless chargers, your cup holders, and an additional storage area as well. Another thing I love is they changed how the seats kick forward to access your third row. So pushing up on the shoulder button here, they stand up, then slide, giving you quite a bit of an easier time climbing back into the spacious third row here. The other feature I'm in love with is your ambient lighting. It kind of traces all the way through your dash, your cabin, up through your door handles, and even back here into your second row as well. I made it bright pink to show up a little bit easier on camera, but you of course have a large color wheel where you can change it to be whatever color you prefer and give you quite a bit of customization and personalization to make the vehicle feel like your own.